We know that French fries pair well with all kinds of things from barbecue to burgers. They also aren't the greatest food because, fried. But doing them at home leaves you open to not only cut calories, but use whatever spice combos your little heart desires without sacrificing flavor. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to roast some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. For 2 servings, you'll need 2 large russet potatoes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt, and pepper, or other spices if you prefer. I like to cut off the ends of the potatoes since that's where the rot has a tendency to pop up. That's not pretty. Carefully cut your potato in half. Decide on the thickness of your fries and slice them the way you like them consistently with each potato half. Then cut the slice into 4 by cutting the potato in half and then that half in half. Repeat with all of the potatoes, including the ends. Drizzle the 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the potatoes and toss to coat. If you need to, just get on in there and toss them with your hand. Sprinkle a little salt on top and some fresh black pepper, and give a toss and repeat on the other side. Spread out the fries on a cookie sheet lined with either a silicone mat or parchment paper. This allows you to use less oil and prevents sticking. Make sure the smaller fries are on the outside of the sheet pan and the thicker ones toward the middle, and that none are touching. Put them in the oven for 7 minutes. You'll see steam about that time. Give them a little shake and put them back in the oven for 7 more minutes. Remove from the oven and flip over with tongs so that the heat can evenly escape and brown on the next go-round. Then back into the oven for 7 to 10 minutes or until they're brown to your liking. These fries are perfectly crispy, and we actually prefer them to their fried counterparts now. Oven-baked French fries are easy to make, which means that you can scratch that fry itch whenever it pops up. I know I love to make them regularly, and you can gourmet them up with some rosemary, garlic powder, and toss them in Parmesan cheese. Your imagination can run wild with these spectacular spuds. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. If you'd like the full printable recipe, go to my website at mrskringleskitchen.com.